All right, guys, we're here at first thing in the morning. It's what, like the butt crack of dawn. We have a very little load here. Probably the single smallest load I've ever bought in a Brock truck.
Ever.
And that's what we're at. We don't have a lot. Like, we are done pretty much almost. All right, guys, we got our whole booth out here.
I've seen that already. That's awesome.
We got our whole. We don't have much either.
Sell our stuff.
I got my professional shoe guy here. We got all of our shoes from the shoe unit. That thing is a nice set right there, sir. Give me 80 bucks. Works great. You will not find anybody ever selling a Bose set for 80 bucks, I promise you.
I don't even know what it's. Is this an early mic or what?
No.
It's old. It came out of my garage. What's it say on the front?
It says Harry Imukuluvli. It's not silver though. No.
Alex, what do you want it for? Give me $3.
All vintage posters, $4 a piece.
$5.
That's cheap. These are, you can't even find these shoes anymore.
Cheap.
That's cheap.
Well, how's that? Yeah, I really he just said 60 bucks a pair on the shoe.
No, it says 70. What do you say? 80 for the one pair?
Yeah.
So basically, the other ones is 80. These right here probably like 75, 80. They're all about that price.
Come on, you're rich, bro.
Come on, man.
You're rich and I'm poor.
Come on, brother.
Yeah,
You're gonna look so fly. These are throwbacks. No one has these.
And it don't matter about none of that.
1,500. You a gambler, man? Let's gamble.
Bro, you know,
800 or
you don't want to do
2,000.
that
Flip
with
a
me.
coin.
How about
1,000 or two?
we trade for
Flip a
the
coin.
chain?
1,000 or
1,000 or two.
1,000 or 2,000. Flip a coin, right, Mike?
I'll do it.
I got a whole store full of shit. You know that, the hell? Nigga, y'all drop out no on charter. Like, oh, I don't need that. Come on, pimp.
Equal up to
No, this is cheap. Come on,
1,
come on, bro.
250.
It's cheap.
It's about 300, right? 60. Let me add this up. 60.
Hey, let me show you something. How's it so cheap? You got a big pair of shoes right here. I bet you $500
That's
right now.
good.
Put the money where
That's
your mouth
good.
is.
Oh, I'm not saying they're not.
Yeah, I said, I
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. That's 360.
That's with the cases.
No, you need the cases, right? We said no cases from the game.
Are you? Oh, my
The cases got to be $5 a pop, but he wants to keep the cases.
Oh, he can have those. I just gotta keep the rest.
All right, good. We're good. Let's go. 360. Run it.
I'll keep the.
That's
I just
five
need
pairs.
some. Yeah.
5 pairs. It?
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, he's trying to say 300, Alex.
No. I said they thought it was 6 pair. It's only 5 pair.
Oh, 6.
So what is that? What does that equal up
60
to,
a
Mike?
pair.
60 times 5, right?
He's saying 300.
Oh, what do you think, Mike?
And what do you
just
think?
said 360 for 5
That's
for
kind of
6.
cheap. That's kind of cheap, but
325. Come on,
300.
There you go.
300 right now.
Good.
give me 300. Just because I like you.
You like him?
I'm gonna have to blur his face out of my video, but
Hey,
That's hella cheap, bro. Your comments are gonna go
I'm
crazy.
gonna get you up
They
way
gonna be
more than
mad.
that.
can I get a
You better
shout out?
look me up
For,
on
can I get a
209.
shout out for me?
You better look me up
Yeah,
on
but
209
Mike-
time. I'm all over. What?
All right.
Better look me
Is that
up.
a good thing?
Hell yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I do all the little award things, car shows, nigga, the events. I do everything.
I'm going to bleep out a lot of words here.
80 or
Hey, can I get a door open, please?
Yeah, I had to close your other door because you wouldn't let people get by. Look, I got this valet service right here. See that?
Looking, thank you, brother.
Do I get a tip?
Yeah, tip of friendship. Thank you, pirate. For too many years. I spent $300 I ain't supposed to be spending.
Cut it out. You're rich. Alex is guarding these ones. He
Look
ain't
how
letting
they
no.
repainted it.
No, that's original, bro. Come on, this guy didn't have time to repaint.
No, that's paint right there. They don't come like that.
This is the Japanese versions too.
Tell you that right now. They do not come like that.
All right, we're gonna take a look. We just made our first sale for 300 on the shoes. I gotta go look around. What's up? What are you doing?
Very good.
I miss you. I miss you. 80 bucks? I don't know how much you want for this. I told her 80. I told her 80.
¿Por todas?
Let's see what we got here. We're looking for stuff. That's a nice dresser.
It's good though. He was there and it was.
Sup? Hey, I'm not gonna sit here and stop us at each booth, but we're just gonna take a gander. My goal is just gonna make some quick money, get on about my way. But it's looking like a lot of just the same things, which is not what I want to see.
Dan! Dan! How much is the Wyobi?
Good morning, Alex.
Hey, good morning, Mike. Good morning, Mike. I know what?
Why you always cuss when I make a video?
We'll make a video. Mike is
You ruined my last video. I had to spend so much time editing because you have a potty mouth.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not. No, you're
Ah,
not.
you know.
Because I know you're not. I tell you last time and then you did it again. You were just like,
Good morning, Mikey.
there we go. Look, there's cheeseburger, guys. Non-cussing
Oh,
cheeseburger.
have a blessed day today, Mikey. Good morning.
How you doing today?
I'm doing wonderful. You want to buy Ninja Turtles?
No, you've already pulled them out and showed everybody.
Pokemon? I'm not putting them outside.
What's the price?
The Pokemon is in my storage. Hey,
Oh.
yo. My storage, I find that I'm not lying. I have Pokemons. I have a lot of Hot Wheels, old one. I have wrestling with Hulk Hogan, old one. I have Ninja Turtle, actually it's here, old one, new one. And I have a lot of baseball card and baseball figurines. The baseball figurines with the card, old one.
The
really old
figurines
one.
don't usually, the figurine ones are hard. The starting lineups and stuff, those things.
I have like 100. You put it in all.
I just need to know what you want and see it all as a package.
I want to show the package, the whole thing.
All right, well, show me a whole package and tell me a price, and I'll tell you yes or no.
What time you go home today?
I don't know. You don't have them here, though.
No, it's in my locked storage.
I
My
know.
storage is next to Free Market.
Yeah, I'm not going that direction
Only a
today.
Ninja Turtle is here. I'll show you that one right now. You bring me a price, you take.
No, I would have shot it if he would have killed her. Listen, if you would have kept it real with me, I might have shot that truck down. But you don't ask somebody next wall like you did my other truck. When you wall you truck, then I don't even get it back.
When I coach, some of the dudes in the
Yeah,
truck.
keep it real, man. Don't sit up here and lie to
Dudes in
me,
the
man.
truck. But every time I leave, I'm taking it right back to your house.
It don't matter if you got to pull it, stop low. If you pull, what matter?
I'll let you. I'm going around.
All right. How much is this?
$10.
And I had broke her gold chain, so now we got it fixed and she can wear her little cross and her A again, so that makes my day. She was kind of bummed when she broke it. That has a nightstand. Hey, I'm coming. No, don't need one. Who uses a remote for a speaker system? Oh, that's all right. That's on them. No one, you hook it up to your stereo and you turn your stereo up on that. Sold one pair? Nice, all right.
Pair and then the regular pair.
I'm making something, I guess.
How much are my pairs?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. I didn't grab the best, but I didn't grab the worst.
Yeah, $10. They didn't be paid wood poster.
As it is, I know it's still, we can still if you want. It's nice, $10.
I don't know. What are your three?
Just see some.
Oh, now you're down to two? What happened? You didn't like the other one?
It's too iffy.
I don't know what's fair on those, sir. What's fair? So I got two of these coming back. I'll put those in the truck. Okay. Oh, sir, you broke my table.
That wasn't me. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? No, that was him. He did it. He hit it and dipped. The guy was just here. He hit it and dipped. Where'd he go?
You should just buy all these. They're all vintage posters.
There you go. I wasn't even touching that side. Man.
All from the 80s.
70s or 60s or whatever.
Those are like the pretty new ones all the time, huh?
Yeah, but I'm scared because the back of them are cracked.
I don't even know how many of these I'd actually use. It's not like I don't like taking them out of my boxes, but I know I have several pairs that need.
What size is that?
Your size probably.
11 and a half. 11 and a half.
Size 9. Size 29.
Huh?
That's cement box.
I don't know.
60.
It's from the 80s. I'm asking $4
I need
each.
the box though.
Where's the,
Yeah.
where's the other one of these? Oh, there it is.
Look at. He grabbed it. Came all the way up.
This guy. Did you charge him? You know if you break it, you buy it, right? All right, we just sold that pair and that pair.
I just want this though. Mira.
Look, your dad's leaving.
Look.
You gotta go. Bye, Nella.
That's the only issue she had with a lot of these. Those are nice, bro. Muy bonito.
Why is no one looking at the Timbos, man?
She went down, bro. The market straight crash, bro.
It's because everybody sold them all on the internet.
The 70. 60. I'll do 60. Those are nice.
Those are nice.
Those are really nice.
You know how cute you would look in those?
Those
50.
All the chicks are gonna be like, oh, look at him. Look at him.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on.
He's got those on.
Really?
Yeah. Guaranteed he'll have a girlfriend by the end of the night if he puts those on.
Bag, Mike?
Look, and he's got the shirt that matches it too.
Oh. You got a bag? No bag.
No bag.
Uncle Mike, is there a bag over there?
I'm not about to look.
Or messing with you. Sorry, speaking the language.
Well, I'm just gonna call him
Yeah,
Mike
let me
for
see
now on.
if I can-
No longer Uncle Mike. It's just Mike.
50.
It's just Michael. Did you find the CGI?
Oh, it's right there. Let me check the
It's
collection.
right where? It's in that little downspout?
Yeah. But let me check. But you know what, dude? If the battery's weak like that,
Well, I bought a brand new off Amazon and it kind of did sat for 3 months, but like
it has to be really juicy, dude.
but your thing should make a spark. So that's the same by putting it up.
Yeah,
there.
yeah. I'm getting the same result.
Battery thing's dead too.
It's getting there. Yeah. One thing. Right.
Way different. It's just like there's no combustion. Which might be that piece you're talking about. or-
The combustion, yeah, it's
It doesn't sound like there's a, like the thing you hear when you pull something. We have to do a shoe video.
Those are falling apart too.
We got to do a quick testing video, Alex. David, you need those Timberlands right there for work, man. Those gray ones. Those are you, bro. Put a sock in there. That's what Alex does. Oh, that's not my stuff.
No, voy. Y estos están un poquito gastados. También tienen 5.
Oh, that's what? That's not mine. That's Uncle Michael's. Those aren't for sale. I'm keeping those. Give me 10.
Ya está vendida.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How much are the posters?
$3 each. Unless you want to buy them all, I'll go a hell of a deal right now for $50.
Oh, the other one, yeah.
I don't.
No bags. Out of the bags. 1, 2, 3. There's 8. And then we got 9, 10. Thank you.
Thank you.
They're old, man. They were glow in the dark. You know what the first thing I did with these things when I was growing
Oh, I don't
up?
have the.
This
Let me
was a
see if
rolling
Alex
tray.
has a chain.
You remember them days when you used these for a rolling tray?
Alex, you got change for a 20 or a 50?
Just put boxes in the bottom of Jack's box.
All that whole
See
stuff?
what you want, yeah.
You didn't want to buy it?
No, I didn't sell to him. It was just a box of
I mean, it's a 220s and a 50.
You have a laptop?
No.
mm,
There's your 50. Thank you. Be great for your shirt shows. Give me $1 each on them. 1980s there.
If I somehow came across a bunch of frames, I would do it. Like if I seen somebody that pulled out nothing but frames, I would definitely.
No one cares about, bro. I've sold literally, because I only put the ones that have slight damage on and whatnot, but I've sold like literally 5,000 posters on there.
Cheap though. Oh, cheap.
No, I'm selling them for as much as $100. Like, look, one-time deal right now, $60, brand new.
I can go for it. It's not too much. It's not too low. You want 60 bucks?
How much?
60.
For you, I'll do 60.
All right.
Just cause.
Sold though, bro. I'll give it to you a little bit right now.
Could message me on the whatnot, or on the Instagram. Thank you, sir.
All right, bro.
And then I can save it.
I'll see you before you leave, bro.
What'd you get, Luck?
Here, you can put them in here, Alvaro.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, that was a short day. I'm out of here at not even 9 o'clock, and I got $920 in sales. I'm about to pay my $30 exit fee, so that's not bad. Now I get the rest of the day. Actually, I'm gonna go deliver some whatnot stuff, go home and pack some whatnot stuff, do some tree cutting and some other things, and that's where we're at.